It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.
Yogi MD Toolbox. Yogi MD Toolbox. Yogi MD Toolbox. Yogi MD Toolbox. Yogi MD Toolbox. Yogi MD.
Hi, it's Nadine, and welcome to another episode of the Yogi MD Toolbox, where we make yoga a simple part of your routine at home every day. One of my favorite things about a yoga practice is that it can take any shape or form you need it to, at any time. You're in charge. Are you feeling stressed? Do a relaxing practice. Short on time? You don't need to do an hour. You can do just 5 minutes. Need more energy? Do a more physical practice. Need to be quiet? Breathe. Meditate. It's up to you. Thanks for being here. See you next time.
Yogi MD Toolbox. 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 Yogi MD Toolbox.
It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.